Good day, my name is Nemokula Meram. My practical experiment was based on grade 11, term 1, week 8, based on the CAPS curriculum under soil science. Then the practical experiment was done on soil texture. Soil texture is the classification instrument in the field and laboratory to determine soil classes based on the soil physical texture. And this experiment was done using the fill method or sausage method. The purpose of doing this experiment was to determine the type of soil that is found at Cyril Clark Secondary School. We used this method to determine the soil fertility, the soil structure, the drainage system, the chemical properties of the soil. And after finding out all these things, that's why we can know which crop to plant on the specific soil that is found at the school. And the material that I used is 4 different soil samples: water, paper, a permanent marker, plastic, and a pen. The procedures that we used when doing the soil texture practical was to go to Cyril Clark Secondary field or yard and select and do soil sampling using the zigzag method to sample the soil. And we took 4 different type of soil samples and then placed them in a plastic, label each sample with a permanent marker, and then I went to a flat surface. I took sample one by one and measured 2 teaspoons of soil, then add water and put it in my hand and try to form a sausage. Before doing that, I also do the natural eye observation, where I check the particles of the soil, and I was able to determine which soil. If the particles are big, it means that the soil is sandy soil, and if the particles are small, it shows that the soil type is clay or sandy loam. And then when trying to form the sausage, some soil didn't form a sausage or a circle, and then others did form a circle. The soil that didn't form a sausage shows that it's sandy soil. The form that managed to form a circle and bend, it was clay. And then the soil that bent a little bit with a sausage, it was sandy loam. After that, I put each sample on a paper and label it, then take pictures so that I can have evidence and proof when doing the experiment next time or teaching the kids in the class so that they won't forget it. Because it is very important to do the practical experiment. Learners won't forget that experiment rather than doing those things on theory only. And then I also use the skills, which are making accurate observation, which means I make the right observation in each and every sample. I work safely, making sure that the place that I'm working at is not dangerous to my health. I do measurements accurately, handle material appropriately, and then I gather data, I record the data appropriately, drawing graphs and everything. In conclusion, soil texture is very important for us and everyone in this world because it's going to help us on farming and planting the right crops on the right soil. And knowing that in the certain area, because certain areas have different types of soil. So if sandy soil means, if I have sandy soil, I can plant carrots, and someone have clay soil, which means that person will know which crop to plant. Thank you.